Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. And on today's vlog, we'll be sharing with you a baby-led weaning finger food recipe that we can offer to our babies, as well as merienda recipe naman for moms and dads. But before anything else, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below so that you'll get notified every time that we upload new vlogs.
Hi everyone! Nakamangot na naman yan. Bakit ka naka-frown po? You wanna eat solids na? Ay, nag-smile pa Ayan, sige. Diretso na naman siya See? Cadence! Wait up! Wait for mommy. Wait for mommy. Okay? What do you want to do today? What do you want to eat today, love? We're gonna make what? Banana bread. Because you like bread. But you're still gonna eat your squash. Right, love? Okay? So, we'll share with them kung paano natin gagawin yung banana bread.
Hi guys! So, baby Cadence just turned 6 months and we've started giving her solid foods na. By the way, we are practicing baby-led weaning or BLW approach, but with a twist because we're still open to giving her mashed food, but within her control pa rin. Kasi yung baby-led weaning, it's an approach wherein you give freedom to your baby or to your child to eat at their own pace with parents or caregivers supervision. So we're no expert of this approach. We're still studying, we're still reading about it. But so far, ito yung nakita naming approach na suitable para kay baby. Kasi ang pinaka-goal na to, or pinaka-aim na to namin is to have a responsive feeding. Meaning, ayaw namin presente si baby na pakainin, ayaw namin siyang piliting kumain. Kasi within the first year naman ni baby, ang main nutrition pa rin niya or main source of nutrition pa rin niya is yung breast milk ni mommy or yung formula milk ng mga formula-fed babies. The solid food is a complementary, or will serve as a complementary food. Iko-complement niya yung milk, not to substitute the milk or to replace the milk. And at the same time, this phase will allow our child to explore yung eating ng food and at the same time ma-practice yung kanyang motor skills, yung kanyang hand and eye coordination. Para pag dumating na yung time na kailangan niya na talagang mag-eat ng maraming solid, which is after 1 year of age, then prepared na talaga siya. Hindi na kami, hopefully, hindi na namin siya pipiliting kumain, hindi na namin siya kailangan subuan because siya na mismo yung may gustong kumain. So there, again, we are no expert of this approach, and I think it will also be best if you will also, and just an advice, if you will also read about different types of approaches pagdating sa introducing solids to our babies. Traditional weaning man yan, BLW, or combination, it's best that we educate ourselves about it. And also, if you're going to read articles about it, I think it's best kung galing sa mga doctors or pediatricians na bonus na kapag parents din sila. Kasi syempre, themselves, they're also practicing the approach. And at the same time, okay then kung magbabasa tayo ng mga articles galing sa mga health organization. Basta yung mga credible na articles. So there, probably we can discuss further about baby-led weaning sa next vlogs namin, because right now we'll be introducing a new recipe and we'll be sharing that to you guys. This is banana squash bread with malunggay. During yung first days ni Baby Cadence, we've already introduced carrots, banana, sayote, mango. lahat yon tinikman niya lang. As in, taste test lang siya ng konti, then mga small bites lang, tapos inaayawan niya na talaga. Oh, no! And syempre, hindi naman namin siya, ayaw naman namin siya pilitin. Pero napansin namin, kapag bread ang kinakain namin, talagang kinukuha niya at gusto niya. And we don't want naman just to give her yung mga white bread or yung whole wheat bread, whole grain bread, most especially yung mga ready to buy bread na. That's the reason why we've decided na kami na lang din yung gagawa ng bread ni baby para at least control namin yung mga ingredients. Actually, nag-start kami sa pancake, yung banana squash, no, not banana, the squash pancake with malunggay. I'll be inserting the clips na lang on this vlog para at least makita nyo rin. But right now, like what I've mentioned, we'll be making banana squash pancake with malunggay. Okay, so let's start off with the ingredients. We'll be needing 1 cup of oats. Actually, oat flour na siya. Tinrind na namin siya. Then, 1 cup of regular flour. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Then, 2 medium bananas. Then, 1/2 cup of squash. Then, 1 teaspoon of malunggay. Then, 1 cup of milk. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to mix all the dry ingredients. Yung ating oat flour, yung ating regular flour, yung ating baking soda, as well as yung malunggay powder. Powder na siya instead of flakes. After that, set it aside. Just put it in a bowl, then set it aside. Then, ang next natin gagawin is to mash yung ating squash. At the same time, yung ating banana. So, once na parehas na siyang mashed, ipagko-combine lang natin silang dalawa. So, once ready na yung ating mga dry ingredients or yung combined dry ingredients natin as well as yung ating vegetable and ating fruit, then we're going to combine itong dalawang mixture. By the way, we decided to combine yung squash and banana para there's a mix of both vegetable and fruit, saka 50-50 lang din yung ratio niya. Okay, so then once we have combined itong dalawang mixture, yung dry and wet natin, imimix lang natin siya, i-stir lang natin siya hanggang totally mag-combine yung mga ingredients. Then after that, we'll be adding gradually yung milk until we reach the consistency na preferred natin. So, once we've reached yung consistency na gusto natin doon sa mixture, it's time na ilagay natin siya sa baking pan. Or in our case, wala kaming baking pan kasi na maliit na pang baby. Dito sa mold ng leche flan. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grease this with a very little na evo, ng extra virgin olive oil. Para at least hindi magdikit yung mixture habang naluluto siya. Okay, so ready na ang ating, what do you call this? Yung mixture, nalagay na rin natin siya sa mold. And now, it's time to put this inside the oven. So, pinreheat natin yung oven na 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Then, we're just going to wait for this to be cooked. Mga around, since maliit lang siya, 30 to 45 minutes lang. 20 to 30 minutes daw. There. Let's see kung ano magiging result because again, this is the first time that we're doing this. So, tignan natin.
Meanwhile.
Hello, good afternoon. So, we're here again sa ating kusina kasi gagawa tayong special treat today. So, what we're gonna do is banana bread. So, in order for us to create a banana bread na masarap, syempre dapat kompleto lahat ng ingredients natin. So, we will start with all the ingredients. So, we have half cup of flour. Meron din tayong 3 pieces of bananas na hopefully mashed na. We also have 1/2 cup of sugar. In this case, gumamit kami ng brown sugar. We have 50 grams of butter. Kung meron kayong buong butter, 1/4 na brick yung 50 grams. Baking powder na 3 teaspoons. Also, we have 2 pieces of large eggs. And then we have 1 teaspoon of salt. And as flavoring, we have almond extract. And also, we added dried cranberries. So, yun lahat ng ating mga ingredients. So, what we'll do now is we'll proceed to doing the banana bread. So, first step is pagkasama-samahin muna natin ang lahat ng mga wet ingredients. Ano-ano ba ito? Yung banana, yung softened butter, as well as yung ating eggs. I-beat natin sila lahat together hanggang sa mahalo sila all together. Once that is done, we'll set that aside. Okay, step 2. So, on a different bowl, using a different bowl, paghalo-haluin lang natin ating mga dry ingredients. Ano yung mga dry ingredients? Ating flour, we have our baking powder, we have salt, we have our sugar. So, all you need to do is mix them all together to make sure na lahat sila on equal and, mix very well. Tapos, later on, gagamitin natin siya to mix all together our dry and wet ingredients. Third step is to mix all together our wet and dry ingredients. So it will be up to you sa preference mo kung anong klaseng flavoring ang gusto mo. In this case, gagamit kami ng almond extract. Some other people will use vanilla extract or pwedeng gusto nila coffee grounds. It's up to you. Okay, so nagawa na natin haluin. Meron na tayong mixed batter. So itong mixed batter na to, ito ay ilalagay natin sa ating baking pan. So ito yung ating gagamitin na baking pan. This is usually really used for bread. So medyo malapat siya or mahaba siya at malalim. So later on, i-grease natin ito. Anong gagamitin natin pang grease? Gagamit tayo ng butter. When I said na gagamit tayo ng butter, I meant yung ating mga tirang butter sa inyong wrap. So, usually, gagawin lang naman natin, may mga tirang butter yan dyan. So, pwede natin ipunas yan dito. Ayan. So, as all buttered up, pwede yan tayong itapon. Okay, so next step na gagawin natin is ipi-preheat natin yung oven. This time, yung oven natin, ipi-preheat natin siya sa 300 degrees Celsius. Hopefully for like 5 to 10 minutes. So pag na-reach niya na yung kanyang temperature, tsaka natin ipapasok yung ating mixture na nasa oven tray. It usually just takes around 40 to an hour, 40 minutes to an hour. Then by that time, tapos na siya. Ready na to serve.
A few moments later.
Tara! Ayan na ang merienda ng mommy and ng daddy. Care of daddy. Mukhang hindi naman bad love
Yep.
Yeah. So, tignan natin kung anong lasa. Feeling ko naman masarap siya. Masarap ba? Masarap siya.
Wow, moist. Tama ba? Moist. Tawag doon. Wow, fairness, daddy. Ano baby, ano yung itsura mo dyan? Nakataas pa yung paa mo. Okay, dance? You're satisfied naman? Are you satisfied? Look! Wow! Konti na lang natira. Ang dami dyan ah. Ang dami dyan nakatara. Okay, dance. Let's drink milk and to drink your vitamins na dance. Now, how was it? Good? 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 Thumbs up? Okay, dance. Say bye everyone na. Bye everyone! Bye!
Babe.
Bye!
Ide.
Cadence! Hi! Did you like your bread? Nag-chew brush na ikaw, love? Oh, nag-chew brush na siya. Okay, I think she likes her bread naman. So, tomorrow uli. Right, love? Bye, everyone! Bye! Bye, everyone! Bye-bye! Did you like your bread? Yes po. Yes po. Yes po. You like your bread, love? Okay, mukhang nagustuhan naman yan. Mukhang nagustuhan mo naman, baby na. Mama, ha? Ha? Mas gusto daw niya ang milk.